in this exercise I have to sum sales revenue per region. So sales revenue means this amount, and per region, uh, per region means we have to aggregate or like group by this region property, that will be north, south, east and west. So we have four region, and output should be something like this. We have every region and we have to sum every region amount. That will be 150 for north and 50 for north, and we have 3 north, and we have to calculate these three: 150, 50 and 80, something like this. So what we can do, steps. So what is the step we follow? First step will be we can group uh, group by region. Spelling region. Then next step will be, we don't need a next step. We can plus we can do some by the time of group region. So I will show you later. Like, we don't have to like group first, then after group we can sum. That also work, but it will take more time, and it will be we have to write more code for that. So we can do skip second step, and we can do some at the time of grouping region. Sum amount, we can do create function, what we can name summing sales revenue per region. This is the function name. More descriptive name. We can use the question name, question title. What is the error? We can pass the argument that array of object sales transaction. What is the first step? Group by region. Cells, we can name data dot reduce. Why we use reduce? Because we have to aggregate or group these things, otherwise we can't aggregate, and we have to return object. We don't have to return array. If we have to return array, we use dot map and dot filter. In reduce we can return anything, any single value, any object, array, string, whatever we can return. Null, undefined also. That we don't need. But reduce, and what is the, yes, this is the return object. So we can initially assign object. Accumulator is object now, and we receive every this cell transaction object here, every iteration. Here we don't need this transaction ID and date. We need only region and amount, so we can destructure here only region. We can check also here, we need only region and amount. So let's take this region and destructure here only, and amount spelling is correct. Accumulator region as a key we want, and what we can see, if there is some value, initially we don't have value for north, so take 0, this is undefined, take 0 and do plus on 0 that amount. So initially it will be 150. If there is some value, then don't take 0, take that previous value 150 and do on second iteration 50 plus. I hope you get it. I hope you understand this shorthand method, and we can return that group by region. Let's see, I hope it work. Console.log. So this is the easy one exercise. It won't take so much logic. It's take this much code to write. Let's log. We have to log node exercise .js north to 81. Yes, correct. But there is a issue with, like, we have to show 0 0. For that, what we can do, amount, we can use dot to fixed for that. Whatever the value, dot to fixed to, let's see what is there. Dot to fixed, not a function, fixed. This is not a string. Yes, so we can't do sum for string, it will be create issue. Accumulator, what we can do for this 0 0, let's see, we have 281 amount, region, we have to use again for that constant result equal to, we can't do directly here because we write something like this, so we have to use object dot keys, and we can refactor that group by region dot reduce accumulator key is equal to 8 minutes already in the video. We can use that value, key dot to string dot what to fixed, not string dot to fixed, and we return accumulator. We have to return result. What is the issue? North, it returning only north. Yes, initially we need object. As you can see, similar result to this. There is issue like it's a string, so we need number, or later we can convert it into number when we using this value, but we can do number here only also, but again it will remove that 00 from here, so better to like make a string. As you can see, it's similar result to previous when we use number. So it's depend on what is your use case. If you want to show only on the DOM, then you can use this as a string, something like this. So if you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. So thank you.